Affiliate marketing is a popular tactic to generate online revenue. But what is it and how do you get started? I'm going to go over the what, why, where, and how right now. So what is affiliate marketing anyway? Now I'm sure you hear the term a few hundred times a day on social media, but maybe you're just not even sure what it actually is. Well, affiliate marketing is the process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person or company's products. The affiliate simply searches for a product they enjoy, then promotes that product and earns a piece of the profit from each sale they make. The sales you have as the affiliate are tracked by affiliate links from one website to another. See, it's not really all that hard to understand, is it? But how does it actually work? Because affiliate marketing works by spreading the responsibilities of product marketing and creation across several parties, it manages to leverage the abilities of a variety of individuals for a more effective marketing strategy while providing contributors with a share of the profit. To make this work, 3 different parties must be involved: the seller and product creators, the affiliate or advertiser, and the consumer. The seller is a vendor, merchant, product creator, or retailer with a product to market. The product can be a physical object like household goods or a service. Also known as the brand, the seller doesn't need to be actively involved in the marketing, but they may also be the advertiser and profit from the revenue sharing associated with affiliate marketing. For example, the seller could be an e-commerce merchant that wants to reach a new audience by paying affiliates to promote their products. Or the seller could be a software as a service company that leverages affiliates to help sell their software. The affiliate or publisher, basically, this is you. The affiliate markets the seller's product in an appealing way to potential consumers. In other words, the affiliate promotes the product to persuade consumers that is valuable or beneficial to them and influences them to purchase the product. If the consumer does end up buying the product, the affiliate receives a portion of the revenue made from the seller. And last, but certainly nowhere near least, is the consumer. Whether they know it or not, they, and their purchases, are the drivers of affiliate marketing. Affiliates share these products with them on social media, YouTube, and websites. When consumers buy the product, the seller and the affiliate share the profits. Sometimes the affiliate will choose to be upfront with the consumer by disclosing that they are receiving commission for these sales. Other times, the consumer may be completely oblivious to the affiliate marketing infrastructure behind their purchase. Now that you know a little bit more about what affiliate marketing actually is and the structure of common affiliate marketing, where do you get started? The Amazon affiliate program is probably the most well-known and most recognized affiliate marketing programs right now, and for good reason. It's Amazon, right? Now, one of the biggest misconceptions about this program is that you're going to start earning revenue immediately. And to a certain point, that is true. However, there is an observation period where you're held to a certain standard and must complete a certain amount of qualified sales in order to be accepted into the program. The Amazon Associates program is one of the largest and most successful online affiliate programs with over 1 million members around the world. But don't let those numbers scare you off. There are still plenty of ways that you can be successful as an affiliate marketer with Amazon. The next place you can look to start affiliate marketing is with what you're currently using yourself. By that I mean, are you using a software for your accounting? A certain design program for your graphics? You may be using a certain plugin to grow your own YouTube channel. Or maybe even your favorite clothing company. If you do some research on these brands' websites, chances are they may already have an affiliate program set up. All you have to do is apply. And why not, right? I mean, you're already using their products or services. Why not promote them a little and make some passive income from them? You may end up even paying for your services with the money you earn. So basically, you'd be using their products or services for free. Affiliate marketing offers you the ability to make passive income on the side. Just by investing an initial amount of time into this, you'll begin to see continuous returns on that time as consumers purchase the product over the following days, weeks, months, even years. You receive revenue for your work long after you've finished it. Even when you're not in front of your computer, your marketing skills will be earning you a steady flow of income. To learn even more about social media marketing, video, affiliate marketing, and product reviews, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.